If you're an artist, designer, or digital creator looking to upgrade your creative setup, this video is made for you. In today's roundup, we're diving into the top 5 best drawing tablets of 2025, the latest and most powerful tools to bring your imagination to life. Whether you're a beginner looking for precision or a pro in need of advanced features like stylus accuracy, high residential displays, or seamless software compatibility, we've got you covered. From ultra-responsive screens to budget-friendly picks with pro-level performance, these tablets are designed to fit every need and style. Stay tuned as we explore the top contenders that are dominating the market this year. Don't forget, all the products mentioned in this video are linked in the description below. Hit that subscribe button for more tech-savvy reviews and creative gear guides every week. Number 5. XP Pen Upgraded Artist 13.3 Pro V2. The XP Pen Upgraded Artist 13.3 Pro V2 redefines what you can expect from a mid-sized pen display tablet in 2025. With its vivid 13.3-inch fully laminated screen, you get ultra-clear visuals and minimal parallax for a truly immersive drawing experience. The 1920 by 1080 Full HD display covers 125% sRGB, delivering rich, vibrant colors that bring your artwork to life. The upgraded battery-free stylus supports 8,192 pressure levels and 60 degrees tilt, ensuring natural, responsive strokes. This model also features 8 customizable shortcut keys and a handy red dial for quick access to your favorite tools. Compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux, and Android, it's perfect for artists, designers, and even online educators. The XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro V2 is not just about looks, it's about high-end functionality in a sleek, portable form. For creatives who want pro-grade performance without breaking the bank, this tablet delivers big. Number 4. Wacom Intuos Pro M. The Wacom Intuos Pro M is a powerhouse built for serious creatives who demand precision, performance, and versatility. With a 10 by 6.3-inch active area, it strikes the perfect balance between size and comfort, giving you ample room to sketch, design, and retouch with complete control. Its Pro Pen 2 delivers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, offering a natural pen-on-paper feel that's unmatched in accuracy. The multi-touch surface lets you zoom, rotate, and navigate intuitively, while 8 customizable express keys and a touch ring boost your workflow efficiency. Crafted with premium materials, the tablet feels both durable and professional. Whether you're working in 2D illustration or 3D modeling, the Wacom Intuos Pro M supports macOS and Windows, ensuring seamless compatibility. For professionals in 2025, this tablet is a top-tier tool that transforms your digital art into a refined masterpiece. Number 3. Wacom Intuos S. The Wacom Intuos S is the go-to choice for beginners and hobbyists stepping into the world of digital art. Known for its reliability and intuitive design, this compact tablet offers a 6.0 by 3.7-inch active area that's ideal for drawing, editing, or navigating with precision. It features Wacom's trusted battery-free EMR pen with 4,096 pressure levels, delivering smooth, accurate strokes without the need for charging. For customizable express keys give you quick access to shortcuts, enhancing productivity across creative software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Krita. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, and even certain Android devices, making it incredibly versatile. Plus, you get free creative software included to help you jumpstart your projects. If you're starting your digital art journey in 2025, the Wacom Intuos S stands out as a budget-friendly, user-friendly tablet that brings creativity to your fingertips. Number 2. Huion Inspiroy H640p. Compact, lightweight, and impressively powerful, the Huion Inspiroy H640p is the ultimate portable drawing tablet for creatives on the go. With a 6.3 by 3.9-inch active area, it may be small in size, but it packs big features that digital artists love. The battery-free stylus offers 8,192 pressure levels, ensuring accurate strokes and fluid lines that feel just like pen on paper. It includes 6 customizable express keys to streamline your workflow, whether you're sketching, editing photos, or annotating documents. Compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux, and even Android, this tablet is perfect for students, designers, or online educators. It's slim, durable design makes it easy to carry in any backpack or laptop case. If you're looking for an affordable yet high-performance tablet in 2025, the Huion Inspiroy H640p delivers an unbeatable blend of precision, portability, and value. Number 1. Huion Inspiroy 2M. The Huion Inspiroy 2M is a game-changer for digital artists who want premium performance without breaking the bank. Designed with a sleek, compact body, this mid-size drawing tablet offers a comfortable 10 by 6.25-inch working area, perfect for both detailed illustrations and bold strokes. With 8,192 levels of pen pressure and 60 degrees tilt support, the battery-free Pentec 3.0 stylus delivers ultra-smooth, natural drawing precision. The Inspiroy 2M features 8 customizable shortcut keys and a unique scroller touch strip for enhanced workflow control. Whether you're working in Photoshop, Illustrator, or Clip Studio Paint, this tablet is compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux, and even Android devices. Ideal for students, hobbyists, and pros alike, the Huion Inspiroy 2M blends versatility with affordability, making it one of the best drawing tablets of 2025. Explore your creative potential with this reliable and responsive tablet. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best drawing tablets of 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a pro artist, these tablets are built to boost your creativity and workflow. From responsive styluses to stunning displays, each one offers something unique for every kind of creator. Don't forget, all products in this video are available in the description below, so check them out. Subscribe to Tech Facts for more informative and tech top best product reviews, and comment your choice. We'd love to hear your favorite.